Sophie's trying to crawl. She's getting up. Oh, I'm a big girl. She's looking at Noah. Noah's been licking her. Well, hi there. Yeah? You gonna crawl over here? Are you a big girl? Oh, I want to get up so bad. I want to get up and move so bad. Goodbye, folks.